In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Zoho Creator. Zoho Creator is a powerful platform that allows businesses to build custom applications effortlessly. Whether you are a new administrator trying to expand your team's access or an experienced user refining your existing setup, adding a user is an essential skill to master. First, let's consider the context and purpose of adding users. When you add a user to Zoho Creator, you are essentially granting them access to your application or environment. This is crucial for collaboration as it enables the assigned user to view, edit, or modify data depending on the permissions you set. To contact support if needed, it's always good to have a clear hierarchy and well-defined user roles within the platform. To begin the process of adding a user, make sure you have already logged in to your Zoho Creator account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you see several tabs like Application, Microservices, Environments, and others such as Mobile and Portal. Focus on the Users section. This is your gateway to manage user permissions and roles, an essential feature for maintaining the flow of operations within the Zoho environment. Click on the Users to enter the User Management panel. Here you are presented with options to manage existing accounts as well as invite new members. To add a new user, locate the Add User button or link, which might be positioned either at the top or in a sidebar, depending on the layout changes. Now, in the Add User form, some key fields need your attention. Begin by entering the user's email address. This should be the email they will use to gain access to the Zoho Creator platform. It's a good practice to double-check the email address to avoid any login issues later on. Next, you'll have the option to select a role for the user. Roles typically include options like Viewer, Editor, or Administrator. Each role has a different level of access to the application. Choose the role that aligns with the tasks you want the user to perform. A viewer, for instance, can only look at data but cannot make any changes, ensuring data integrity, whereas an editor can modify content and an administrator has full control. Carefully configure permissions based on the security needs of your organization. Assign appropriate permissions to these roles to specify what exactly each role can do, ensuring that the access is neither too limited nor too broad. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, review all your entries one more time. Then, click on the Invite or Add button to finalize the process. The user should receive an invitation email with instructions on how to access their new account. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user in Zoho Creator. As you work with your team, remember to regularly review and update user roles and permissions to keep your data secure and your operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Zoho.